We are still in the series of calibration, and in this video we are talking about the ISO 17025 standards. First of all, the ISO 17025 standard is a standard for calibration labs working with temperature calibrations. And you might have seen this logo, this ILAC logo on certificates. What is this? ILAC is an international organization where all the national bodies are organized. In Switzerland, this would be SES, the Swiss Accreditation Service. In the US, it's NIST. In Germany, it's DAX, and there is 90 or so more national organizations, which are all organized in this ILAC. All those organizations, all those regulatory bodies, they have signed the so-called mutual recognition agreement, which is nothing else but that they recognize each other for what they do. So a certificate issued from the SES in Switzerland is equivalent to a certificate from NIST, from DAX, and so on and so forth. So they're all the same, basically. Now, here I try to compare a standard factory calibration with a ISO 17025. What's the difference? So let's first, on the left side, look at the ISO 9001, so the factory calibration. Already described in previous videos, it's a comparison between a device under test, a reference device, and you compare the two measurement rows. If the deviation is smaller than the tolerance, you issue the certificate. If we now look at the process, it's a very simple process. You perform the calibration, compare the results, you document it in the certificate, and then you have an approval 2I principle. Now, how is the SES or ISO 17025 different from that? And you see already from the picture, it's in fact almost the same. So what's the difference? The difference really is 2 points. First of all, the approval is not only a 2I principle, but a 4I principle. That's the first difference. The second difference is that this calibration process on the left side is only validated, and the process on the right side is also approved by the authorities. Plus, of course, on those certificates, you will find the logo of the national body plus the ILAC logo. So that's pretty much it. Now, I often get the question, why are SES or ISO 17025 calibration certificates so popular if it's almost the same? And the answer is really simple. The auditors like the ISO 17025 certificate because it's a known standard and therefore trusted. That's it. Thanks for watching.